Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off autopay on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section. Right here you're gonna find search and here you're gonna find all of your playlists. And right here in the top right corner, you're going to find your notifications, your friend activity, and lastly, right here, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click right here, you're going to find the option to access your account. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session, go to settings, and lastly, log out from your account. So in order to be able to turn off autopay, go ahead and click on account, and this will take you to this page on your browser. So as you can see guys right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your account. So basically guys right here, you're going to find account, payment, security and privacy, and lastly, help. Right here, as you can see guys, under payments, you're going to find order history, saved payments cards, and activated code. Go ahead and click on save payments cards and then remove your payment card right here. If you can't remove it, that means that you are still subscribed to Spotify Premium. Go right here to manage your subscriptions. And then once you're here, you're going to find your current subscription. You can easily cancel it, press just cancel subscription. Then you're going to be able to cancel your premium subscription. Then go back to saved payments cards and you can remove it from here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.